Dimash Bergen comes back to our channel and is going to delight us with another performance known as Ave Maria. We've reacted to a couple of songs from him, and each one has had its own unique take and theatrical feel that blew us away on the outstanding vocal ability that this young man has. At this point, I don't know what to expect and how he's going to deliver the song, whether he's gonna sing through the spectrum of sound waves through our ears, or he's just gonna deliver a straightforward pop song. So far as we've seen, he's gonna show off all his vocal colors to us. But with open ears and open eyes, let's see how he's going to deliver this classic song to us. Here we go. I don't know whether to lie in a hammock in front of the beach and just listen to those beautiful sounds seduce my ears, or start crying tears of joy on the emotions that he's bringing out to me. He hasn't uttered a single word, but is just producing sound with incredible tone, colorization, dynamics, and for some reason opens an emotional gate of beauty that, at least in my mind, it took me to a beautiful place where I'm at peace, enjoying the scenery, and thanking the universe for being alive and having the ability to hear. This is breathtakingly beautiful, and also reminded me of that operatic scene in the sci-fi film The Fifth Element starring Bruce Willis. If you've seen the movie, you know what I'm talking about, with the blue alien chick giving an incredible performance through just singing. Either way, let's continue and let's listen to this beautiful piece. I can't believe we're more than halfway through. It's felt like 30 seconds. Let's wind this back a little bit and let's continue.
Димаш Кудайберген и Игорь Крутой.
Браво!
Просто мурашки по коже.
I love the fact that in this particular performance, he stayed at a constant vocal register. Even though it was high, it doesn't matter. But that it remained constant. It wasn't necessarily, going all over the spectrum, which is not bad, but in itself also adds variety in changing it up a bit and not making every performance, a vocal blowout of complete singing proportions. If anything, this song was the most enjoyable because it wasn't trying to show off too much and focus more on the unique premise and melodic deliverance of the song. I'd go as far as to say that this is probably the best performance I've seen of him so far, at least the one that I enjoyed the most, that I can see myself definitely going back and listening to it again and just be blown away by the sonic beauty that's gracing our ears. Great stuff, Dimash. Great stuff. We'll see you on the next video. Have a good one.